Good afternoon, sir. What can I do for you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
Of course, we have several options available. How many nights will you be staying with us?
Just for tonight, thank you.
Let me check our availability for you. Are you looking for a single or double occupancy room?
Single occupancy, please.
Great. And would you prefer a standard room or would you like to upgrade to a deluxe room?
Standard will be fine, thank you.
All right, let me see what we have. Yes, we do have a standard room available for tonight. It comes with a queen-sized bed, ensuite bathroom, and complimentary Wi-Fi.
That sounds perfect.
Wonderful. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. And will you be needing any additional amenities, such as dinner, breakfast, or parking?
Just the room with dinner will be fine.
All right, Mr. Smith. Your room is booked. You'll be staying in room 203. Here's your key card.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me. How can I help you? You've been here for quite a long time. Do you need help crossing the road?
Oh, thank you, young lady. That would be wonderful.
Great. How can I help you? Would you like me to assist with pushing your wheelchair across?
That sounds perfect. Your assistance is much appreciated.
No problem at all. Let's wait for the traffic light to change and then we'll cross together.
Thank you. It's not as easy for me to navigate these crossings in my wheelchair.
I completely understand, it's important to look out for each other. Here comes the green light. Ready to go?
You are a good girl. How about coming over to my place for a cup of coffee?
You are so kind. You know, you make me miss my grandmother. I really miss her.
Why is that? Doesn't she currently live with you?
No, unfortunately, my grandmother passed away a few years ago. I think I'll go home and look at old photos to remember her.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Losing a loved one is never easy. Going through old memories can be a beautiful way to cherish her. I think so.
Sorry. I'm running late for lectures now. How about we plan another time to have coffee at your place? I'm really looking forward to it.
No worries at all. Life gets busy. We can definitely do that. Just let me know when you have some free time.
Sure, take care of yourself and relax. And don't worry, I'll make time to come see you soon.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. What can I help you with?
I want to open a bank account. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What kind of bank account do you want to open?
I don't really know about it. Can you introduce the types of accounts in your bank?
Of course. Do you already have a bank card with us?
No, I don't. This will be my first account with your bank.
Great. Let me tell you about our account services. Currently, we provide different types of accounts, each suited for different needs. First, we have a basic savings account. This is a simple account for everyday banking. You can deposit and withdraw money easily. There are no monthly fees, but we require a minimum balance of $50.
That sounds reasonable. What other types of accounts do you have?
We also offer a checking account. This is ideal for day-to-day transactions. You'll receive a checkbook and a debit card, and there's no minimum balance requirement. However, there is a $5 monthly fee.
Okay, what about a fixed term deposit? I've heard about those.
Yes, we have fixed-term deposits. These are savings accounts with a higher interest rate, but you agree not to withdraw the money for a fixed period. Usually 6 months or a year. It's a good option if you want to save for a specific goal.
Interesting. What do I need to open a savings or checking account?
You'll need to provide a valid ID and proof of address. Since you're a new customer, there's no initial deposit required for the savings account. But for the checking account, an initial deposit of $50 is needed.
Got it. I think I'd like to open a basic savings account for now.
Perfect choice. Please fill in your information in this form. Could you also provide your ID and proof of address?
Certainly, here you go.
Thank you. After filling out the form, you can sit here and wait for about 15 minutes. We'll process your application, and your account details will be ready. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Okay, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need, just let us know. Have a great day. Welcome to the hospital. What can I do for you today?
Hi, I need to see a doctor. I injured my leg while playing football.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me get some information from you. Can you please provide your name and date of birth?
Sure. My name is John Smith, and my date of birth is May 15th, 1998.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Can you describe the nature of your injury and when it occurred?
I was playing football earlier today, and I landed awkwardly on my left leg. It's been hurting ever since, and I'm having trouble putting weight on it.
Okay, I'll note that down. Have you had any similar injuries in the past?
Not like this. I've had some minor sprains before, but nothing as painful as this.
Understood. Please have a seat in the waiting area, and I'll inform the medical staff. They'll be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Smith. I'm Dr. Johnson. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Dr. Johnson. I've been better. My left leg is in a lot of pain, especially when I try to move it.
I see. Let's take a look. Can you describe the pain to me? Is it sharp, dull, throbbing?
It's a sharp pain, especially around my knee and lower leg. I can't bend it without wincing.
All right. I'll need to examine your leg to assess the extent of the injury. I'll also order some imaging tests to get a better look. Have you had any trouble with this leg before?
Not really. I've had minor injuries in the past, but nothing like this.
Okay, let's start with a physical examination. I'll check for any signs of swelling, tenderness, or instability. After that, we'll proceed with the imaging tests. Based on the examination and the x-ray results, it appears you have a sprained ankle and possibly a small fracture in your tibia. I'll prescribe some pain medication and recommend rest, ice, compression, and elevation for now. We will schedule a follow-up appointment to monitor your progress.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm here to report a theft.
All right, Anna. Could you provide some details about what happened?
Yes, yesterday evening, someone broke into my apartment and stole my laptop, jewelry, and some cash.
I see. Do you have any idea who might have done this?
No, I don't. But there were signs of forced entry into my apartment.
Okay, please fill out this form with the details of the stolen items and any other relevant information.
All right, here's the completed form.
Thank you, Anna. Based on the information you've provided, we'll start an investigation. In the meantime, I'll need you to come down to the station to identify any suspects if we make any arrests.
Of course, I understand.
Additionally, we'll provide you with a reference number for your case. Keep this safe, as you'll need it for any updates or inquiries.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll do our best to resolve this matter. If you have any further questions or if you remember any additional details, don't hesitate to contact us.
All right, I will. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a good day, Anna.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you find value in the content we create, and believe our channel is important to you, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. By doing so, you won't miss any of our valuable videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you. Subscribe now for more great content. Thank you.